Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Blessed love, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to Kingdom Life in Jamaica. And we're here in Westmoreland. So we're here in Bluefields. That's where we and the team stayed over, by my family here in Bluefields. Where everyone had some nice food yesterday. Some of the members them head on, and some stay back to help out with today getting the materials for Randall. And guys, we want to thank each and every one that donated towards the cause of helping out Randall. It's such a blessing. I would thank you so much, So I literally just came from the river, so some of us go. So me and Prefect went to the river, the rest of them said it's too cold to go to the river so early in the morning, but them don't know that the river is better, So worship did they went, boom did they went, and them problem says too cold, they don't used to it. So yes, we're gonna have something to eat, and then we're gonna head out to the hardware, So this is just what this side is like, This side is also being hit, up on those hills and everything, There's been damage as well. There's loads of houses on the hills that's been damaged and everything, And down there, as you can see, and that house in front of me, you can see the roof is gone, And something that was here is also gone. So I'm walking up to the home now. Where we were staying and everything. So as you can see, this shop, there was a shop here, a liquor snack shop where you could come and get the snacks or get anything you want from the shop. And this is completely gone as well too. That house, the roofing is gone, everything is gone. And there's still no light here in this area, and this area is close to the main road as well to heading towards Sav. And it's still no light. So that noise that you're hearing over there, that's the generator running. And look at the beautiful sun right here in my arms. That's the sun there. Touching the sun. So that's the beautiful sun we get coming in. So as you can see, this whole place is destroyed. So this they replaced this, put on back some zincs and everything. Well, the place really been hit, So people is taking them time, try to make ends meet, try to get themselves back on the ground, and half running also, So they're trying their best to do so, which is going to take time because individually people is helping themselves. They're not getting any help from anywhere else unless it's family, relative that live overseas, So you can see that completely destroyed. Also, there's another house there destroyed. There's so much house on this stretch that been destroyed, so many, and this whole field. So this is where we've been staying, all family, that is also family as well too, one that's been destroyed there as well with no roof on the top, and this is also family as well too. So they deck the roofing, so at least they're using no more shingle at this moment. So it's been decked, so I just stretch my legs, I like to walk and take in, see what's going on in the atmosphere, take in that oxygen. Look at that house as well too, completely destroyed by Melissa. So Melissa leave her mark. She give a statement, so here we are and everything. Oh, so you have Wow Chef there already. You have Boom, and Baja and everyone. Oh, they're eating fritters. They're eating
Fritters,
fritters or flitters?
Fritters. Fritters.
Real starfish fritters. Yeah, man, we not talk about
Fritters are
Fritters.
fritters,
Yeah, man.
not fritters.
Not fritters. Fritters. Marvin burn, you know, a lot of pepper, onion,
Holy Baptiste.
tomato, saltfish, a ball out it nice right now.
Starfish fritters. You're talking about starfish fritters. Not talk about starfish cousin. Where you just have to go and look a piece of starfish in it.
Yeah.
When you look at pure starfish, you look fun. Yeah, man. That's it.
Marvin, can I get 2 or 3? Marvin, up and running. Up and running.
Active. But Marvin fry mine without saltfish in it.
Boy, come here, go on, oxtail, fritters.
Boom! Get your fritters or your fritters?
No, man, I'm not ready yet, man.
Okay. I'm glad over there go and relax.
Sample one, you know.
Sample one.
Yeah, but I wait for at least
Second.
Alright.
1 dozen more.
Bad
Bad like that.
Bad like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So we have
They don't
first.
say anything Marvin touch.
Yeah, man.
Always sell off.
Yeah, man.
Last time the man cook up mackerel and rice there. I'm going to tell him one way for oxtail.
Yeah, man. I'm going to nice. I'm going to
Man, recipe, my Marvin. Man, the recipe for carve back and dog.
No,
You thought you were happy with the river this man? No river?
If you're ready to go down there now, me ready.
No, man. No.
I don't so we are going.
No, it's too late though, man. It was too.
No, can't take the early morning.
Yeah.
Man, here.
Here you go.
no.
Yeah, like when the sun up here now, yeah, we can, body we can adjust.
It's gonna get.
The man them now leave the bag of ground. I want one.
Yeah?
One special bag now go ground. I want.
I wish back now, God, John. A boom. A boom of the acre.
The one with the tree up where, the one with the tree up where. Yeah, man, I eat that about the tree.
A boom of the acre, man. And the acre that is. So perfect, yeah. You're marching, so what go on?
Yeah, come so I go on.
You wanna talk about the fritters or the flitters?
Yeah, man, the fritters that. I want more come for look.
Oh, you get already?
My taste already.
Oh.
My taste already.
That's why I wonder if I march over so quick.
4 of them gang it up on me and
No, man, no gang up no there. No, and that's how do your labor, and the labor talk to the labor.
Oh, okay.
Labor.
Yeah, get to the labor.
Yeah, come here, go to the kitchen.
You're going to lay forward.
Why you have to make it, we reach before you? Yeah.
I ain't go so close.
No. What I can't say.
Yeah.
Alright then.
Oh, march in the kitchen.
Yeah, I'm going to
Cover.
it up for my.
You see the prevent.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, no.
The fritters are the fritters.
Yeah. Them say fritters, we say fritters.
What you gonna go on?
Start like please.
What's called a one egg, you know?
Why do it, man?
No, it's called a one egg, man. A real cock spur that you get, you know. Real cock spur. When you eat them egg, them man, yeah, man. Man, I'ma tell you, you have a ban.
A lie. So wash it not get none ban it.
You don't want to your wow chef seed. Something wrong with the wow chef seed, you know. So you have to go scrape it.
A special one then.
Yeah, no starfish. No starfish in this one.
Yeah, one so come out that.
No starfish in this one.
Listen,
Clean up on the paper.
Yeah, okay.
link us.
Yeah.
Supposed to wash them.
Yeah. I think I wash stand. Alright guys, so here we're gonna pick up some sand and stone as well too. That's also on the list. Some sand and stone. So here's the truck that we're using. There's a beautiful sea over there. This sea is so beautiful, pretty. Look at the color. Just by looking at it, is make you want to swim. So we're here in White House. So everyone that know Westmoreland and know White House, you know, we're right on the main road. We got the White House right there, the crown, and that's the sea that represents White House also, where you go and get your fish. And as you can see, there's a lot of damaged house over here, damaged places. So here's a stone. Alright, so are we that we're loaded with this sun and go. Alright, my general.
Yeah, Papa.
Alright, so now we're gonna load on. So we have the sand and the gravel. So now we're gonna load on the plies, steel, and the cement, and the 2x4, and all of that.
Come on, man. Just think, man. Push up nice, push right up nice. So I put on the zinc on top of it.
Zinc on top.
Let's drop it.
Then you lift up the plan.
Pin it back this time, boy.
Yeah, you pin it already?
No, man, I pin it already.
Yes, man. Can you imagine this one cannot unload and load back, you know? This one. Yeah. Yeah, can I go strap them still? So we ordered 10 sheets of ply, plus there is another 11 sheets already. That's up by where the foundation is going to build, where the house is going to build. We have already 11 of them already, and this another 10. And then we also ordered 20 sheets of zincs, you know, 10 bags of cements, and the 2x4s and the lot and the strips and all them stuff, and the steel, as you can see, they're prepping the steel and other stuff. So yes, I'm back in my cowboy hat again, because I know the sun out here. So where you see these missing holes, it used to be like fans. So the fan them drop out now, so there is no fan. So I'm sailing. So what's gonna happen as well? The windows them, we never they never have any windows at the hardware. So literally we're gonna get the windows them somewhere, but they say someone can make them and then deliver them. So we're gonna send the size and get them made and deliver. You know, so guys, I'm gonna say Raman, the one that you see was counting the money, is my cousin. So he's the one I'm gonna be communicating with. He's the one that's also contributing towards helping out this guy as well too. So I'm going to put my trust in him. I am working with him and I'm trusting everything because he's the one that organizes most of the stuff. You know, so anything else that's going to be needed, you know, also leaving the funding, and plus the builder that's going to build it, we're going to also have to pay him now. So I'm going to find out how much he's going to charge to build it, and then we're going to pay him to build it, and the laborer that's working with him also. You know, and then we just move on from there. You know, so around there we have a proper house. You know, to all the donation that you guys donate, you have a proper house. So we're gonna also make a TV, you know, store as well to fans, and then the stuff that is essential, that is what you can need. You know, and we're gonna have a bathroom as well to add on to it. So we're gonna have all those things. So the money will cover that. So if anything else, guys, you will know. You know, we're gonna pay the truck man as well for this. No, I'm gonna just pop on the truck. 10. You must strap it. You must strap it, man. Eh? When the money I drive you for all on, you know?
Not driving with him, man.
Eh? No, but I park the car down here, sir. And drive with him. And that we do it last time, and then just drop her back down here, sir. Because a man when them are young, you tell them brief, eh?
Like indeed the road.
Yeah, you can manage the road. Because they got too much weight, they get the problem for go up that hill from the car. And then man come back down here, so we just go with him, drop all the materials and just come back. Can you see as I leave out of Marvin and come up the slope and you hear the car up? Yeah. So imagine go up them one day with the rough road there. Yeah, and the cement. So definitely for the future I need to get myself one of them 7-seaters. When you come out, you remember that steel there. You see? And we got the door as well to for him. There's the doors. Raja. Raja, 2 door you put on it? 2 door you put?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Hold on.
30 grand. Tired. Chest? $20. Yeah, leave the glove. Them can put the cement them along you, so the door them can go and last. You might go up more. You might go up more because when you're going up the hill. Watch it. That's Tell him to watch us steal, so. Four lengths at 20.
Push them across here. Push them over here. No.
Check it. Lights.
Nobody come.
Good, can't buy with some. Can't buy with some.
What? And these are some big 4x4. Some big posts here. And put it in a rhythm and see. Yeah? Yeah.
Alright, wait, you have the bin. You have a receipt. You have a receipt. Yeah. Okay, alright, no problem.
Sure.
No man, some more go on.
Oh.
You said that stuff.
I want to go in and groove.
If you have stand down, it's 200 girl, isn't it? I say
Anyway?
what you don't easy if I don't get down from every tip up on my yard.
So we'll drop them first up here.
Yeah, and then part I would say some on this stone. It's easier when you say down for care from up on my place going.
Okay, yeah.
Eh?
I must see me by 10.
Yeah. Where's the badger? What's your foot?
Shot, yeah, 12.
40. Them one here like, you know, they're on the edge.
No man, I'm good.
No,
that's good man, don't stop.
Oh, that's right.
What's that? 11 now. 11 now. No man, more than 11 now.
About 14 the bike. Take back off one. Take back off one. 13 piece again. We have now 12 black. Yeah. Go on them again, Dada. Go on again. 14. What kind of boy is it? 2 before 12. 14 up here? 14 up
13.
13.
13.
13, alright, good. I'm a 416 lap. I'm not a 12 lap. I'm a 16 lap, so I give 416. Alright. Yeah, 16 at twice the price as a 14.
Alright, respect.
And then pass the door then. Put on the door then.
The door them.
Two door them.
Two door them right, sir.
All off at time and signature. So you get everything now, Jenna. So you get the 20 sheet and zinc, the 13 2 before. I put on the lot now. Go the way 4 steel. Yeah, put them on 4 steel. You can see black.
Yeah.
You get the 10 cement, you get the reverse on the stone. You get the plyboard. You get the 10 sheet of ply get in total.
Yeah.
7-4 before, which is the big board, the corner post and 4-2 before.
Give thanks so much. So that's the doors them going on as well.
Put it inside here, man. Press the panel out.
It's right in the corner, underneath it. Go down there,
I'm going to put it inside.
Put on there,
Tag us. Yeah. Eh?
If you said so, we can't get this strap.
Yes, sir, prefect. If you stay, sir, prefect. If you stay, sir, now can't get to strap it.
Make it only done.
So you have to make it lie down.
Lie down. I'm coming to my start. Make it do lie down and even drop on and I spend on top of it. Yo. Make it do lie down and drop on and spend on top of it.
Yeah, let's make one. Me do lie down and let's put 1 cement on top.
I can't tap on top and I can't my idea that day.
Let's put one in the corner. And it's the 30 grand. Eh? Okay. Remember what park down here? Yeah. Eh? The size. Ask him.
Yo, put on the flat. Take out some now, put on the flat.
Yeah. Yeah, put the next one on top. Put the cement on top now. Yeah. Put another one pre for the other side there. Yeah, right there, sir. Alright, catch him. Yeah. Alright guys, so that is all the materials then for now. So we're gonna strap up and then we're gonna head on. Something chip your tire. Something chop out. Burning out the crew.
Body no man.
I want the side part of the road with that. Good man. Alright, so guys, so now we're strapping down the van, you know, to make sure that nothing at all don't fall off. Nothing at all don't fall off. Yeah. Eh?
Remember last time we did.
Yeah.
That one is just nice stuff, you know, on the top.
Yeah, that means.
Oh, give me already. 16,100 or so. So you just give me 48, yeah. 48. So 1632 48 to change it.
Okay.
On the side.
So right, so right now we're gonna order the blocks. As you can see, black is not ready as yet. You know, so well, this is where we're ordering the blocks, right? So we're getting 300 blocks. You know, that's what the man is gonna need, 300 blocks.
I'm not paying no delivery, no chat team for the delivery.
King Daddy. How you go?
Strappy.
Best time now. We can take off them here. I mean, we are leave out. You know, I'm going to drop off that.
By the way, name them, boy.
Oh, that's so.
Oh, that one never go back. Right, sir.
Where we are taking this?
The material them, but the sun and the graph are going to drop off right around there, so.
Don't go next side. Right, that's all.
We're going around there, right on the side, so. When I drive back down, you're going to see it.
Yeah, see, no, man. Yeah, man, rain in them, man.
Last burn.
And the last bird.
Can't come to each one again.
Him again, man. Him always a slip, man.
Rondell, how is everything?
Man.
So here's your material them to start your foundation. You know, you're gonna get a beautiful home, man.
I respect.
Beautiful home.
I respect, man.
So we're gonna unload them now and everything. So we spoke to the builder as well too, where we come build it, you know, Raman thing. So all will be well. We'll be definitely gonna have a home very soon.
Yeah.
Here we can come out of the tent.
Hold on, no, we want it. Yeah, take off.
Yeah, shirt on. No, shirt on.
Hold on.
Shirt on, yeah. You see him? You see him from on it?
Here, straight in there, man.
Yeah. Come on, see your place in us, right?
Yeah, man,
Yeah. Put them 30, yeah. Put them flat. Come out the way, Randall. Come out the way. Come out the way. No, I say, come out the way. Find them lick it down.
Yeah.
Wow. So here we go. Ooh. Slide down.
One of them.
Come slide.
Well, you just want to some ground, yes? No, just one side, I put on one side. Let's take time out, the slide. Hold on. Heavy, man. Just lean it up right. Zero. Go on, let it. Alright, we can take them two. We don't take some.
Drop them as well.
Yeah.
Work with them better.
Again, you should have on some gloves.
Hold on, push down this. Watch it, push down this. Put over here. Put over here. Easier for you.
Just like this.
If I put them on first, I'm going to slide them. Come down. Slide them down. I never see say I don't do what you think. Couldn't give me that, you know. You said them couldn't give me that, you know.
Huh?
They come give them there, you know. Two people there, brother, what?
I'm going to send you back down there, man.
Yeah, man, them two there. I'm ready, brother. I call the park damage them, man. They're not good. Watch yourself, Jerry.
Watch yourself.
Yeah, so. That's why I get you on this. You want to ask your young man? You don't get done that. Let me pull out the front.
I just see me. See me.
Oh, you know some just. Hey.
I got live long. Sheraton.
Eh? Yeah.
Respect.
This bad.
Yes.
I'm sorry, Chief.
I'm ready. I'm ready to take it. I'm calling me go to farm. 2 meters start today, me.
You want him? Okay.
Me go get the thing, yeah. When I smoke, but me stop, you know.
Why? Too high.
He give me shorter breath, man.
Oh, so you leave, stop the smoking.
Yeah.
If I give you a shorter breath, I don't blame you.
Yeah.
Once you realize that's happening,
Yes.
just leave it alone, right?
Yes. All right, sir.
Good. Say good though.
Yeah, I'll go for that bush, you know.
Go back. Alright then.
Hello.
Alright, peace.
Yes, sir.
Big up.
Come on, come. I do all of this. Oh, yeah, whoa. I lift them down and pack.
Yeah, I forgot to move them out of the way first. You see?
No, the ball now is something. Come on, come here, so we do. Yeah, come in, my boy. Boom, come in. Yeah, I'll just pack those. Yeah.
getting the material in. Yeah. 2 tool. Yeah. Yeah, Raman. Cement them. Where the go?
Put them on the plate.
For the plate.
So we're on the next apartment. That's a man
Go nice side. Put them on go nice side.
On the plate.
Remember me ever play them on the side.
Okay.
Lean it back some more. Yeah.
Go on. Nice. Hold this for them.
Go on then.
Don't put your hand. Don't put your hand. Look at that one.
No? Yeah, go with him now, okay? I'll drop you off.
Yeah, go down. I think they want change still now.
So you have to make them go back, man.
I'm go back when I go back right out.
Yeah. The cement them now on the Zoom.
I said I can put same place when I play them, man.
Yeah.
I don't push already. I push.
For what you know about?
Alright, man.
What about that?
Take it down. Pick up them if I'm known, huh? Pick up the bad leaf over there.
Go pick them off.
I'll go and pick them up.
Yeah. Where are we? Where are we?
How much damage thing? One or two?
One. See there, one on top. Two.
Guys, you have to know, son. I'll take a picture of them.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Flat ground.
The one there, I gotta go back. I won.
Left. That fall under.
Yeah, man, that's good.
That's enough for
Whoa. Careful, you know. Whoa.
Let's show them some of my slime. Good.
Alright, run then. Brahman. Baja. Come here. Come on, surrender. Come on. Alright guys, so finish bringing the materials around them. So this is where we finish bringing the materials and everything.
Yeah, but it was a good look, man.
Come on.
I see like a godsend boy.
Alright, yes sir. So you have the pliers and also the cements and everything. So this is all set, you know. So this can go all the way.
All the way. Yes, man. Anything we left off and nick snacks.
Yes.
Yeah.
So all the way, So
By the come back, man.
So alright guys, so for everything that we spend, you know, we'll tell you what's going on, so we can know everything. So Raman, we're gonna leave Raman in charge, you know, like I'm so far away, so we need someone that's trustworthy, which is Raman, who's my cousin. So that's where I put my trust in, and everything will get done because he's been giving the assistance, you know, before me even come. So I know I got nothing to worry about. So alright, so first we so in total we spend hold on. So we spend $266 at the hardware. 266, and then we'll go back and we'll buy and spend another 66,000. You know, so here's one receipt for 66,000, and this one is what? $266,011, and this one is $66,242. Alright, and we pay for the black.
Yeah, 48
which is
300 black, 16,100.
Yeah, so that's what 48,000. We pay 48,000 already, and there's 20,000 for the backhoe. Yeah, the backhoe for come level the place also, and then now the 15,000 for the driver as well too, for the delivery we're gonna pay him as well too, and also for the worker as well for the. And you say how much in that 50,000, you know, so you say 50,000.
Then we have windows for
and then we have windows, so the windows are coming in. So far we spent $457,217, you know, plus the windows they've not come in as yet. Right, so that's what we spent already. Yeah, Randall, that's what we spent so far. So I'm gonna make your minus. Take out the driver money out of this, which is 15. So take out the driver money out of that, which is 15.
15.
So this is the driver money, and just count and tell me the remaining, so we know where we are.
The workman not subtract it.
No, workman is subtract as well. So take out the workman as well. So that's the workman 50. $196. So total we have 196 remaining, right? So with that now, you know, can
assistant and
can get the stove, and you can need a thing for the windows.
Additional stone needed. You understand? So, and then once the final step, receipt for everything.
Yes, and then also, guys, you know, the next time I come down here, you will definitely see everything. You're gonna see everything. They say the work I gonna start.
This weekend, as soon as the workman, I confirm the workman. I talked to him last night. So, I confirm them this weekend.
Okay. Alright, so Randall, so you say you're on your way, you know, as I say, everything's gonna be alright, everything's gonna be well, you know. I want to thank our extended family. You know, so we did it again, you know, one more on the journey, Baja, you know.
Yeah, man.
Move family.
As you can say, you know, thanks and respect, you know. First and foremost, you know, I want to say big up to you, Kino, and the dream team for all of this, because as I say, you're chosen for a cause. Come down here, in situation, you jump at it. Raman, trust me. Angel in the sky, because in there I do a lot too.
Yeah, for the people then.
And then I look out for him as well. Him introduce him to Kino and show him situation. And trust me, it'll work. I'm glad for now, so we are a fallen soldier. We will take place on the tent, you know, the Jew and the cold and everything there. And I can't hear if we assist him to make him pain and him journey much easier. You the donors, we thank and appreciate, you know, for everything, because without you, this wouldn't be possible. You understand?
You
come here and see the situation, we appeal to you, and you answer the call. Can't thank you enough. Dream team members, for the support, and the turnout, put in the time and effort. We appreciate that also.
Yes, sir.
And for the community, we reach a stage right now where it's actually complete right now. You understand? And we give thanks to that for so we change him situation. Roman over there I steer the thing, which they are steer from day one. We're going to point us to the direction where the help needed and them thing there. And we answer the card, we send it on to the donors and then deal with it. Bless up yourself, Keenan. Stop the way you're doing it, youth, because you're there for your cause.
Yes.
Understand? You're there for serve. Which, that's what life is all about. To give back. That's our purpose on earth.
Of course.
We're passing through. Wherever we can leave something behind, because when we're gone, we name a call and say, boy, Keenan them used to do this, Dream Team used to do this, Roman used to do that and them things that will live on in a generation and shape the future to come. You understand? So anything we make life better and life easier, that's over there. Life we say over all things. Blessings and love to each and every one. Father God, guide and protect everybody on me there in this. Roman, youth, continue the way I do here, sir.
I mean, Keenan, pick up myself man, and the whole G team. Yes. Thank God send them. This is situation and it's devastating. So I just blessing and just God continue shining light here. Deliver upon the journey. So much respect to the G team.
Every time.
And I must say a lot of respect to our excellent family donors them, because I can say the Westmoreland trip, for the two recipients them so far with Rafi and Randall, we literally raised about 1.2 million, that's what we raised. I raised 400 and something thousand for Rafi, and we raised 628,000 right for Randall, 500 for Randall, so that's 1.2 million we raised, and that's all because of you guys showing your love and your compassion. I would thank you so much. So you keep on fuel our engine, continue to encourage us to see them yesterday and the journey to do that, we're doing the right thing. I would thank you so much. As I say, it don't stop. I'm say, so we cannot save the world, but we can choose to help what we can help, one step at a time. We cannot bombard everything, because say you guys don't have it, but you try to send as small as it is, and we're grateful for that same. Because no matter how small it is, we're grateful. Every little make a mucker, because that's only one person. It's a team of you, combine together and make this happen. So imagine that unity is strength. So we cannot divide it. We're gonna weaken. So that's what we make the link of the chain more stronger. I would thank you so much, because Randall's gonna be alright now for you. We see where it's coming from and where it's gonna be next. Use expansion, different dimension we put him in right now. We take him from underworld and bring him above side. Because where he is right now, go through that situation and know. So we thank you so much for the blessing and the love, man. Let me say we're gonna head on now into Kingston. You think journey never stop, because we have Project CME ready in the place.
Peace. And George Buddha.
Yeah.
And big up wood. Do you think?
Yeah. You take a pill already?
We take one of them.
One of them. You eat already and everything?
Yeah, next one oats porridge.
Some oats porridge.
I'm going to journey, get him a safe place, then try to get him to a medical check.
So after show, as long as I'm inside and I'm comfortable.
Yeah. That's the main thing, when I want to get him under the roof and comfortable,
Because that's a tweet, the situation.
I mean, that he's comfortable.
So in order for him recover, it's a pain,
Yeah, because you can see the back of shaking. It reminds me of Prince. Even though Prince shaking with different pimples constantly like this, but him now like him have some forceful rock, so I'm head and it's everywhere. And Prince recover from that, so he can also recover.
You may have to weigh him then. Go tell Yaya about him.
Yaya about him, right?
Yeah, make Yaya do something for him and so him can do for him.
Yes. Yeah, like the herbal man, the magical herbal yeah, the miracle worker.
Yeah, man, what you say?
Yeah.
To that.
Of course, he's a miracle worker.
He's working,
Trust. Did you take up the money for the driver?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, man.
Okay, I'll go with the member. My ear, the name again, which son?
Yeah.
for our next client.
Wendy. Akime there. Akime. The White House. Yeah. Alright guys, so here is where we're gonna drop the sand and the gravel, because it's an easier access to the land, because the land is right there, so you can literally walk from here to the land. Enough light. Yeah. So this is okay. Yeah.
That's why I say we did drive that road.
Yeah.
You gotta look good, man.
Yeah.
Good look of you, good look of around.
So guys, so here where is the back was gonna drive up to level up. So the land is right there where it's the blue house, you know, so that's where it's gonna build up. Right here with the trees. So it's an easy access to bring up these material from here. Makes sense. A lot of sense. So that is, look like rain will come over now. One cloud, one patch of cloud. Easy access. It never come out. Alright. And a big metal hammer. Yeah.
I use on it.
I hate that now.
design, let me call it like that.
No. Everything is out. Driver, see a credential here. So count it, so it's certain. 15, right? Because movements have job people, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Every time. Yes, sir. Because. Yeah? Alright. Fine.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.